this. They are teams, so they will alternate. Who is up first? It looks like the Bears. First stroke, he's on the fairway. All right, your turn. Mythical creatures. Louie, take it away. Yeet that thing. And wow, smack down in the middle. That is a penalty of 2 strokes. Got Bears staying on the fairway. Nice shot. Sparky. Oh, he lines up his shot. Stroke number 4 coming up to you now. Back in the drink. That is another penalty of 2. Got Bears sitting on stroke number 3. All right, Louie, you're on stroke number 7. Oh, he is out of the tree. All right, Tough Bears. Still in the fairway. Cage fans, I think I know what's going on with these strokes. They need to